Before we start, let's know the definition of ethics. Ethics is a philosophical concept that determines the definition of right and wrong, especially when applied to interactions between people. In this video, it will explain about the ethical issues that happen in IKEA. What is IKEA's background? IKEA was the biggest furniture retailer in the world with over 98 stores in 70 countries. There are three ethical issues highlighted in IKEA. First, workers' rights, second, child labor, and third, environmental issues. Workers' rights issue. According to website Business and Human Rights, it reported that IKEA has recorded 5 lawsuits in court regarding age discrimination. The jobs of workers were denied promotion, demoted, and discriminated in terms of pay on the basis of age. Child labor issue. IKEA was exposed for using child labor in weaving factories in Pakistan on year 1994. The supplier hiring children under minimum age of job outsourcing production to foreign countries. Environmental issues. IKEA was using natural items in their production without limitation. They were selling goods made from illegal felled woods in the forests of Ukraine. These reports are from corrupt state-owned forestry firms. They do all this just because want to increase the profit for their organization.